Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Insignia smart TV remote and you have issues where there's like a delay response. As soon as you like want to move somewhere, like for instance, if you move to the right, instead of moving right there that second, it'll take like 2, 3, or 4 seconds. Or maybe you're trying to input a password or numbers or something, and you're on here and you're trying to click on one. As soon as you click on OK, it takes 2, 3, or 4 seconds to show up on your TV. I'm going to show you guys a quick possible solution right now, and by the end of this video, 50% of you guys are going to have a working remote that's super responsive, as if you just bought the TV brand new with the remote here. Okay, so first thing is this. Go ahead and take out your battery. Pop out your batteries here. Now, with the batteries out, I want you to press and hold this power button, okay? So press and hold this power button for 30 seconds. Do not let go. After 30 seconds is up, let go. Now what I want you to do is I want you to press every single button. Start off with the power button here and start pressing it and giving it force. Every single button on here, even on the trackpad, the middle here, left, right, up, down, diagonal, everywhere. Just keep pressing every single button kind of hard, kind of firm, okay? And the reason why you want to do this is because if there is one button that's stuck or partially stuck or jammed, it can cause issues with the entire remote, especially with it like lagging or having like a delayed response. You spill coffee on it, soda, even like if hand lotion gets in here after some use, even saliva, even water can affect one button, and again, it can go ahead and cause the whole entire remote just to go crazy. Okay, so keep on pressing every single button kind of hard. Then go ahead and turn it over, and I want to go to give it a couple smacks on the hand. Now go ahead and simply put your batteries back in. Don't put the back plate on yet. Just go ahead and fire up your TV and then go ahead and play around with it. Make sure everything is nice and responsive the way it should be. If there's still a delay on there, I want you to do the same thing again. Take out the batteries, turn it over, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, let go, and then proceed to press every single button here kind of firmly all over, kind of go crazy. Just keep on going crazy all the way in, every single button. Then give it a couple whacks just in case there's any like dirt or dust in there. Kind of get that, rest that out. And then go ahead and put your batteries back in and fire up your TV and see if your remote is super responsive now. If not, go ahead and try the same method a few more times. Another thing to take note too is sometimes when your battery starts getting low, a lot of times where you just change your batteries, all of a sudden it'll start being super responsive. Okay. Anyways, like I said, 50% of you guys should be up and running. If it didn't work for you, thumbs down. If it worked, thumbs up. Good luck.